But Aisha, a question for you now. बहुत बड़े बड़े launches जो हैं हुए हैं T series के music videos के साथ, all right? And you've debuted with a music video. How does that make you feel?
Absolutely ecstatic to be debuting with a video that's been done by T Series. And I couldn't have asked for a better opportunity because I've been directed by the legendary Pradeep Da. And I don't think it gets better than that. The song sung beautifully by Ayushmann. I think I couldn't have asked for anything more. All the boxes have been ticked. That's all I can say.
And you look great. Congratulations on a
Thank
great
you.
debut.
Thank you
All
so
right, we're going to hand over the mic to Ayushmann. Hi, Ayushmann. Thank you so much. Quick question, simple question. You can answer this like nobody. Ashiki, okay, Bhushan ji ki Ashiki. यहाँ पर कैसे छिड़ी आपने?
In fact, this is the first time I'm rehashing a song. This is the first time I'm working on a remixed kind of a song. And that's kind of new for me because normally my songs are not very commercial. I believe that because Mitti Di Khushboo is slightly off-center. Even Yahi Hu Main was slightly off-center. But this is, I think this is the first commercial song I've sung. That's what I think. And I think, yeah, Ashiki just adds more zing to it because no, it comes as, it doesn't, it's not expected to come, you know, after the Mukhra of the songs.
Yeah.
Suddenly the antara of Ashiki comes. So I think which is quite a surprise. And apart from that, it's been directed by legendary Pradeep Sarkar. And this is not the first time he's directing a music video. पहले 90s में जब indie music का दौर था, Euphoria के सारे गाने धूम पिचक धूम मायरी इन्होंने direct किए हैं. I think he started the trend. And I think it was a very organic a collaboration with T Series and when the singles are again coming back because of T Series. So yeah.
फीचर बनाने का इच्छा ना ऑलवेज रहता है तो गाने से शुरू किया था.
All right, thank you so much, Ayushmann. Very well said. Apar Shakti, hi, welcome. This is so
Hello,
nice.
how's it going?
It's fantastic, man. How does? Okay, we're gonna ask you the question जो media आपसे बहुत बार पूछने वाली तो एक ही बार में मैं खत्म कर देती हूँ. आपकी स्टार भैया के साथ काम करके आपको कैसे लग रहा है?
You know, of course, I mean, through and through, I mean, through college days, school days, and even now he's guided me through in a lot of, not only music, otherwise also, he started his career with radio. So he's been, you know, giving me all the important things you need to do, not only to become a good radio jockey, but to become a good human being as well, or a good music.
Ayushmann Bhava.
So he's
Not a spiritual guru here.
A lot of Ayushmann Bhava has been happening at home as well. So yeah, I mean, so it's great to collaborate with somebody, you know, who totally knows you inside out and who has given me complete freedom and space to do something with him.
Of course, that's a legendary pose which started in the 90s. जब आशिकी रिलीज हुई थी पहली आशिकी, उसका रिलेशन उससे है क्योंकि गाना उस फिल्म का है, पहली आशिकी का है. और आई थिंक एक कनेक्ट पहले से बना हुआ है आशिकी का. और टी सीरीज़ आई थिंक तब उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था ये ट्रेंड फिल्मों में आने का एंड उनका कोलैबोरेशन भट्ट साहब के साथ था एंड दिस वाज दैट फिल्म जहाँ पर गाने पहले बने थे उसके बाद फिल्म डिसाइड की गई थी. सो आई थिंक म्यूजिक इज़ द एसेंस ऑफ इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम डूइंग रिहैश ऑफ अ सॉन्ग एज आई सेड. और ऑफ कोर्स वो उससे कनेक्ट करने के लिए वो पोज बहुत ज़रूरी था.
Music to khair, of course, I mean, we have collaborated on this and I'm just gearing up for a film called Dangal on December 23rd. It's an Amir Khan film. So, yeah, that's something on acting front. Yeah?
Ayushmann,
Absolutely wonderful. It's a better experience हो नहीं सकता था. I've been directed by Pradeep Da in my first video and Ayushmann songs beautifully and I couldn't have asked for more. Absolutely wonderful experience.
सबसे अच्छी बात है कि प्रदीदा के सेट पे सब बंगाली में बात करते हैं और जब मैं वहाँ पे आया वो दे वर सरप्राइज टू नो कि मैं बंगाली समझ सकता हूँ क्योंकि मेरी प्यारी बिंदु में बंगाली प्ले कर रहा हूँ. सो आई थिंक बहुत ही अमेजिंग कनेक्शन है बंगालीज़ के साथ मेरा. और आजकल मैं रविंद्र संगीत काफ़ी सुन रहा हूँ एंड आई लव बंगाली कल्चर एंड आई थिंक बंगाल एंटायर बंगाल इज़ फुल ऑफ आर्ट लिटरेचर एंड म्यूजिक विच इज़ अमेजिंग. ऑल्सो फूड. सो आई थिंक आई एम इन लव विद कैलकाटा एंड बंगाल एंड बंगालीज ऑफ कोर्स. दादा यार दादा एक्चुअली वो सरप्राइज भी. मैं 22 साल चंडीगढ़ में रहा हूँ. मैं पंजाबी एक्सेंट है मेरा हिंदी में. दम लगा के हिंदी बोलने की कोशिश की थी मैंने, खड़ी बोली, लेकिन इसमें बंगाली बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. ही वाज दादा मैं ठीक बोल रहा था वैसे?
बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहे.
ही वाज लाइक
थोड़ा हो जाए
थोड़ा इतना नहीं बोल सकते बंगाली गाना
आयुष्मान
আমারও পরানো যা চায় তুমি তাই তুমি তাই গো আমারও পরানো যা চায় yeah it's a Ramendra Sangeet any Bengalis in the
Wow.
house no Bengalis
No, whatever my heart wants, it is you.
yeah that's the meaning of the song yeah
आयुष्मान दिस इज आशी फ्रॉम म्यूजिक इंडिया हाय
hi
और 90s का सॉन्ग काफ़ी हद तक यूज़ किया है इसमें आपने ये जो वर्ड है एक बारी कॉलेज लाइफ में कभी यूज़ किया है एक बारी हाँ कह दे किसी के ऊपर आपने
देखो
use
मैं अपनी बीवी के अलावा किसी का नाम ले नहीं सकता यहाँ पे तो एक क्वेश्चन का पॉइंट बनता नहीं है अगर कोई और हो भी तो मैं बता नहीं सकता तो व्हाट्स द पॉइंट इट वाज माय वाइफ ताहिरा ऑफ कोर्स
मुझे क्या फील होना है यार
I think this is the best question of the day. It is. It is.
he is not
It
my
is.
husband.
I think he
एक
should
burger-
stand here आयशा तुम्हारी है
यार, मुझे क्या फील होना है यार आई मीन मैं आई डोंट नो हाउ टू आंसर दिस वन
He wants to know if you're jealous, yeah.
dude I
अपार शक्ति की इच्छा शक्ति
you know अपार शक्ति की बात I have a very nice happy love life so इच्छा मतलब I don't know man how to answer that one that's quite a
ये बहुत खुश है इच्छाएं इसकी ऑफ कैमरा पूरी होती हैं ऐसी बात है I just tried, yeah. In fact, I don't know. Yeah, in school I was known as a dancer, but I had to choose between dance and music. In school I chose music, and in college I had to choose between music and theatre. I chose theatre. So yeah, I think there was just a bit of it, a 15-seconder. But yeah, I think both are parallel vectors for me, acting and singing. I think Indian industry is about music and dance and all these things. And I think you can't survive without music. And I think if you can lend my own voice to my own character on screen, it's just credible. You can say that, of course. My life is incomplete without music, for sure. That's it, I guess.
I'm also waiting. मैं बोला ना मैं भी वेट कर रहा हूँ आपको कुछ बोले तो बोल दीजिए मुझे
This single, I think it was a year back when I wanted to do a rehash of a T-series song, especially Ashiki. And though I think it was my genre of music was very different, but I think this one, it was very organic flow with Ikbari and when the Antara comes for Ashiki. So I think that's why I chose this particular song, and it's one of my favorite songs from Ashiki album. Yeah, of course. अरे ये कैसा सवाल है? ये गाना ये आशिकी वाला गाना तो पसंद नहीं है क्या? I love this song here. And of course the original song is on tabla and dholak and peti. Isliye of course this is a different take on it. So that's why.
Oh, actually, everything on camera is not what it seems. It was the easiest shot of it. I was in a bodysuit, absolutely comfortable, and I think I was in the hands of Dada. It was the easiest shot of the video, I think, Dada.
Hands of दादा मतलब मैं था नहीं वीडियो में वो
Absolutely.
दादा थे मैं नहीं था
Yeah, everything. I would just say everything is not what it seems. Yeah.
see
very
I'm not
comfortable.
25 that's the problem Ayushman I threw him out at that point
No, not really. No.
not really
Okay. No, I wasn't. I was in the hands of Dada, so I was quite happy. It was an easy shot of the video.
those were dada's hands not mine
Sorry, I can't hear you.
पोस्ट में मेरे हाथ डाल दिए थे जैकेट के अंदर ज़्यादा थे, मैं नहीं था.
What do you want to see? I mean, huh. I mean,
वणक्कम.
Dada, it's a compliment, I'd like to believe.
yeah.
Just can't figure the tone. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much once again.